The whole idea is that we are grant funded through the state of Missouri. It is required with DNR to promote recycling, composting, recover, basically to make sure there's stuff not put in the landfill. Our landfills are just way too inundated with waste. So the idea is to try to recuperate a lot of that. And that's what we do. We help people to get grants and stuff to create programs that are going to show that they can recycle something: glass, paper, compost, food waste, all those kind of things.
The Mid-Missouri Solid Waste Management District works with organizations to assist them in reducing waste.
We've been working with River Relief for several years. They have received several grants from us to help them with their project, mainly to clean up the riverways that are within our district and just throughout the state of Missouri. Steve Schnarr is the project manager. He is just been an awesome guy to work with. We just approved another grant for him to expand their project. So they're going to get started on that here shortly, and they're just a great program for our district and for the state of Missouri, just to help keep it clean and keep our environment working.
The Mid-Missouri Solid Waste Management District has really made it possible for us to work in some of the small rural communities around here where it's difficult to raise money to do projects like this. The Solid Waste Management Districts made that possible for us to do. So we can do river cleanups in places like Glasgow, Hartsburg, Bonnets Mill. That would be really hard to raise the funds to do in any other way. And they've also, because of their focus on purchasing equipment to make dealing with our waste stream and recycling easier in the long term, they've helped us purchase 2 boats that we use on the river all the time, basically for hauling trash and volunteers. So it's a tough thing to come up with funds for that kind of equipment, and I know that's one of the goals of Mid-Missouri Solid Waste is to beef up that infrastructure that makes this stuff possible.
Electronics are also items that need to be kept out of the landfill and recycled.
A lot of times people don't realize that there's a way to actually get rid of your old electronics properly, as opposed to just dumping them. Midmo Recycling, his name is Stan Fredericks. He runs Midmo Recycling. He is an awesome person to work with. He has been great to try to help us coordinate ways to pick up, and they go all over our counties with us. So if we have a tire collection, they're right there with us, picking up computers and televisions and printers and everything, and then they actually recycle their stuff properly.
Well, I've been working with them for probably 3 to 4 years, and we set up these electronics events at different locations throughout the different districts or counties. We collect the stuff, bring it back to Columbia for processing. We collected last year approximately 399 tons of electronics, so we're keeping a lot of electronic waste out of the landfill.
So there's 3 grant rounds, a lot of ways to get money. Call us, email us. We can help you with figuring out how to do that.
For more information about the Mid-Missouri Solid Waste Management District, visit their website at mmswmd.org.